So, your dishwasher suddenly flashes the Bosch Dishwasher E16 error. Yeah, that one's not fun. But let's talk about what it means and what you can actually do about it. The Bosch Dishwasher E16 code usually signals a problem with the water inlet valve. Basically, your dishwasher thinks too much water is coming in, or that it can't control the water flow at all. One common reason? Limescale buildup. Over time, minerals in hard water can clog or damage the valve, making it behave, well, unpredictably. Before you rush to call for help, here's what you can try. First, unplug the dishwasher and turn off the water supply. Then, check the inlet valve. It's usually behind the bottom panel. If you see signs of limescale or debris, clean it gently with a Descalaire or vinegar. Also, inspect the water filter. Sometimes a simple cleanup does the trick. But hey, if the error comes back, or if the valve looks worn or cracked, it might be time to replace it. This part isn't super expensive, but depending on your model, it may need a pro to fit it correctly. A quick heads up, fixing the Bosch Dishwasher E16 error professionally could cost you between $100 and $180, including parts and labor. In short, the Bosch Dishwasher E16 code is your dishwasher's way of saying, hey, something's up with the water flow. Tackle the limescale, clean the valve, and if all else fails, let a technician handle it. Better safe than sorry when it comes to water damage.